What's going on, everyone? Jack here from Half Rome, and today we're going to talk about this. This is the Vanpowers Urban Glide Pro. It's a Class 2 e-bike, and it's a whole lot of fun. So the Urban Glide Pro is a step-through bike, and it's a lot more practical than the big, heavy, popular fat tire e-bikes. I have a couple of those, and this one, while it's still big, it's 70 pounds, it's still 15 or 20 pounds lighter than some of the fat tire bikes that I have now. It's really pretty versatile. I'm about 5'11", and I have no problem riding this thing. My son, you'll see in some of these videos, is 5'1", and he absolutely loves it. It has a 500-watt motor, 48 volts, with 690 watt-hour battery. Right, that'll give you, they say somewhere between 60 and 70 miles, and that absolutely is going to depend on how you ride. Now, should you really expect 60 to 70 miles? No, you're probably going to get 50 to 60% of that, but that really depends on how you're riding. You can ride just full throttle on this one, or you can use it in one of the 5 different pedal assist modes. Now, there are 3 different versions of this bike. I have the Pro, and that's kind of the one in the middle. It starts out with an $1,100 standard model that has a cadence or speed sensor, and it's a 7-speed bike. You're going to get 5 to 10 less miles of range on that. Now, the mid-range, the Pro, that's $1,650. That upgrades to a torque sensor, and you're going to get an 8-speed transmission on that. And then you're going to go to the Ultra, which is going to be $2,200. And then you're going to get the mid-drive motor, and that's going to be a 9-speed bike. Plus, you're going to get some upgraded brakes and things like that. So that's the difference between the 3 different Urban Glide models. So some of the specs you might be interested in: we've got a max speed of 20 miles an hour. That makes this a Class 2 e-bike. We've got a maximum capacity of 330 pounds. The display is nice, 3.5-inch colorful LCD. The wheels are 27.5-inch wheels. And like I said, you're going to get up to 60 miles. It has nice things like mud guards installed, front and rear lights, and a nice rear rack that can hold up to 55 pounds. It does have a nice Zoom hydraulic suspension fork at the front to kind of help with some of the smoothing of the bumps. It's got 80 millimeters of travel, and you can lock that out if you want to. The seat actually has a nice suspension as well, so super comfortable to ride. I'm a big fan of this. In that color display, that 3.5-inch color display is really pretty bright. Some of the bikes that I've tried, they're hard to see in sunlight. This one, no problem with that. And actually, you can even connect to that display with your phone if you want to charge it. There's a little micro USB on the bottom, or you can even connect to your phone via Bluetooth. So if you want to, save some of your rides and things like that, get some data on the bike, you're able to do that there. Now, this bike took me about 45 minutes to put together, and I've put them together in the past, but it's pretty simple. It comes mostly installed. You just kind of have to put the pedals on, the handlebars, the front tire, adjust some things, and you're basically good to go. A lot of fun riding this bike. I love it. The upgraded torque sensor, definitely nicer than the cadence sensor or speed sensor that you'll find on a lot of less expensive bikes. In this color, this bright green, initially I was like, wow, I certainly wouldn't want it on a car, but on a bike it adds some really nice visibility, so that is a bonus. So yeah, I'm gonna continue to ride this thing. My son's going to continue to ride it when he can. Lots of fun and an excellent e-bike. So if you're looking for one of these, check the link down below in the video description. We'll have a link to where you can purchase one. And if there's any coupon codes or anything like that I can find, I'll throw them down there as well. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. So in addition to e-bikes, we do a lot of other electronic things, with the big majority of our content being drones. And you probably noticed a lot of aerial footage. The 2 drones that I used primarily to create the video were the DJI Avata and the Skydio. 2 excellent drones. The Skydio is great. You can kind of have that thing follow you excellent camera, great on a gimbal. And then the Avata, we did a lot of the chase things. So really all the video with my son, that was me chasing him with the Avata. Two really nice drones. Definitely a great way to get some dynamic footage. We got a lot of fun things coming this summer, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, we'd love for you to do so. Anyway, hope this video was helpful. If you're looking for a bike, looking for a drone, or you're looking for something fun, you're going to want to come back to this channel. Thanks for watching.